Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Direct and Indirect Speech Series, Day 3. Students, as you know, direct and indirect speech is also known as narration. We can report the words of a speaker in two ways. Direct speech is the form of narration in which the actual words of a speaker are reported. Yes, direct speech is the form of narration in which the actual words of a speaker are reported. As far as indirect speech is concerned, indirect speech is the form of speech in which what one speaker says is reported by another with almost accuracy but without using his or her actual words. So students, direct speech is when you quote someone's exact words using quotation marks to indicate the speech. And indirect speech is when you convey someone's words without quoting them directly. The structure changes and often the verb tenses are shifted. Students, the importance of direct and indirect speech in English grammar lies in effective communication and accurately relying what someone else has said. Indirect speech is commonly used in storytelling, reporting, and when paraphrasing conversations. It allows us to maintain clarity and context while expressing the words of others. Understanding and using these forms correctly is crucial for proper communication and writing in English. So students, in my previous videos, I have explained to you the rules, how we will convert direct speech into indirect and what are the rules, okay? So there are some rules, for example, changes. It will be changed into that, ago will be changed into before, here into there, these into those, today will be changed into that day, last night will be changed into previous night, okay? Yesterday will be changed into the previous day, now into then, thus into so, tonight will be changed into that night, tomorrow will be changed into the next day will be changed into the following day, this will be changed into that, just will be changed into then, okay? And pronoun changes. As I told you in my previous videos, first person pronouns of the sentence are changed according to the subject of the sentence. Second person pronouns are changed according to the object of the sentence. And third person pronouns remain unchanged. And students, do you know what are the first person, second person, and third person pronouns? Let me explain. First person pronouns are I and we. First person pronouns are I and we. Second person is you, and third person are others apart from I, we, and you. The remainings are third person pronouns. All right. Students, in my previous video, I explained to you how we will convert direct speech into indirect. Okay. If reporting speech is in present, let me show you what is the reporting speech and what is the reported speech. Okay, as you can see in okay, so if the reporting speech is in present tense, let me show you what is the reporting speech outside the commas. For example, he says to us, this is reporting speech. Okay, I respect you. This is reported speech because these words are inside the commas. Okay, someone has reported them, these words. Okay, I respect you. This is inside the commas. This is reported speech. This is reported speech. So students, if the reporting speech is in present tense and reported speech is also in present, if both speeches are in present tense, so how we will convert? The pronouns, however, change, or okay, as usual, but there will be no change of tense. There will be no change of tense while changing into indirect speech. We will use that and remove the commas, okay? As you can see in these examples, he says to us, this is reporting speech. Okay, I respect you. This is reported speech. All right. He says to us that he respects us. Students, as you can see, both speeches are reporting and reported. Both are in present tense. That's why I did not change the tense. Tense is same. Okay, I have used that. I did the pronoun changes and I have removed the commas. All right. Let me repeat. He says to us, this is reporting speech. I respect you. This is reported speech. He says to us that he respects us. All right. What I did, I have used that. I have removed the commas and did pronoun changes. All right. And I did not change the tense because reporting speech is in present tense. That's why if reporting speech is in present, we will not change the tense while changing into indirect. He says indicates that this is present tense. All right. Okay, next example. They say to me, you cannot help him. They say to me that I cannot help him. All right. Another example. She says, I do not like this dress. She says, look, says is the present tense. It shows that it is present tense. She says. Reporting speech is in present tense. I do not like this dress. Do not like. Which tense is this? This is simple present tense or present indefinite tense. I do not like this dress. As I told you, this will be changed into that. Okay. She says that she does not like that dress. Okay. With she, with singular pronouns, we use does. Okay. I do not like this dress. She does not like that dress. I have changed this into that. She, I did the pronoun changes. Okay, so I use she. With she, I use does. Okay, this is simple present tense. Okay, our reporting speech is in present and reported speech is also in the present, in simple present tense. Okay, that's why I did not change the tense. Tense is same. I did the pronoun changes and this is changed into that. I have removed the commas and used the that. Okay, she says that she does not like that dress. Okay, next example. He says, I am not singing a song today. He says, this is reporting speech and reporting speech is in present tense. I am not singing a song. Again, this is in present. Present continuous tense or you can say present progressive tense. I am not singing a song today. So, how we will convert this into indirect? He says that he is not singing a song. Today will be changed into that day. Okay. He says that he is not singing a song that day. I have removed the commas. I have used that and I did the pronoun changes. He says, I have changed pronouns. I am not singing. So he is not singing. Okay. I have changed I into he. All right. He says, I am not singing a song today. He says that he is not singing a song that day. All right. Last example. I say, I have read a book. As you can see, reporting speech is in present tense. I have read a book. I have read a book. This is also in present. Reported speech is also in present tense. But which tense is this? Have. And third form of the verb. This is present perfect tense. Okay, how we will convert this into indirect? I say, all right, that I have read a book. I have used that. I have removed the commas. Okay, and I did not change the tense. I say, I have read a book. I say that I have read a book. All right. So students, what you have learned in today's lesson. Today I have explained to you how we will convert direct speech into indirect. Okay, if our reporting speech and reported speech both are in present, okay, then how we will convert? If The reporting speech is in present and reported speech is also in present. The pronoun changes, we will do the pronoun changes, and we will not change the tense. We will remove the commas, we will use that. Okay. And students, why we use indirect? Okay, what is the uh, importance of using direct and indirect? Why we learn this? Okay, the importance of direct and indirect speech in English grammar lies in effective communication. Okay, and accurately relying what someone else has said. Indirect speech is commonly used in storytelling, reporting, and when paraphrasing conversation. It allows us to maintain clarity and context while expressing the words of others. Understanding and using these forms correctly is crucial for proper communication and writing in English. Okay. In my next video, I will explain you more examples, okay, of present. If the reporting speech is in present and reported speech is also in the present, okay. I hope you will like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.